Hey, I'm Aria. Let's make Excel Excel. Today we are covering SORTBY, one of Excel's dynamic array functions that lets you sort a range by a completely separate column or array without touching your original data. Unlike the basic sort function, SORTBY lets you define multiple sort keys at once, sort columns that are not even included in your output, and even shuffle data randomly using RANDARRAY. We are covering 3 examples: returning selected columns sorted by a different column, sorting a full table by 2 criteria at once, and randomizing a list using randarray as the sort key. We have a Pokemon table with name, type, and HP. The goal is to return only the name and type columns sorted by HP from highest to lowest. Your sort key does not need to be part of the array you are returning, which is one of SORTBY's key advantages over the basic sort function. The formula is equals sort by, then name and type as the array, then HP as the sort key, then -1 for descending. The result spills automatically. Entei is at the top with 115 HP, followed by Dragonite and Arcanine. Horsey and Staryu sit at the bottom. Update any HP in the source table, and the output adjusts instantly. Now we sort the full table by 2 criteria at the same time. First by type descending, then by name ascending as a tiebreaker for rows that share the same type. The formula is equals sort by, then the full Pokemon table as the array, then type with -1, then name with +1. Sort by processes these in order. Type is sorted first, then name breaks ties alphabetically within each type group. The output groups water types together, fire types together, and so on, with names sorted A to Z inside each group. Here is a use of sort by most people never think of: randomly shuffling a list on every recalculation. Why would you want this? Think about raffle draws, randomizing a team order for presentations, rotating who leads a meeting, or generating a shuffled queue. Anytime you need a fair, unbiased random order, this formula handles it instantly. The trick is to pass randarray as the sort key instead of a real data column. Randarray generates a random decimal for each row. The formula is equals sort by, then the name column, then randarray of count A of name. Count A counts the rows and tells randarray how many values to generate. Every time the sheet recalculates, a new set of numbers is produced, and the names reorder against them. That is sort by across 3 practical use cases. Quick recap. 1. You can sort selected columns by any other column in your data. 2. You can stack multiple sort keys to handle tiebreakers. 3. You can combine sort by with randarray for instant random shuffling. That is how you make Excel Excel. And if you want to take your Excel models and turn them into a web app your whole team can use from any browser, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Your formulas, your logic, live on the web with no coding required. Link is below.